everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are gonna ask yourself why such a weird angle, well, that's because today I am reviewing this Newtral Freedom X ergonomically designed office chair. Not just office chair, you can use this chair for every possible thing. This one is extra flexible, and here are the handles. The handles comes down to pretty any position that you would like it to go. You have like many options of freedom right here, many levels of freedom. This one comes back, goes down, as well as what's the coolest thing about this chair is the back. So you simply rotate it, you take down the head rests, and you sit at the opposite way. And that's not all. You got this laptop tray right here, which sticks out, as well as you got 2 cups holders. How cool is that? Ta-da! Here's my orange juice. Amazing. So you can have your orange juice and your coffee, your wine and your beer, your vodka and your bourbon, whatever you prefer. As well as it's very easy to fit a laptop right here. It comes with 4 stoppers right here at the tray. So they are helping your laptop to be more stable, not to move around. They are made of this silicone material. They're like this type of stoppers that your laptop just literally sits very, very comfortable at these 4. As well as you have this little thing right here. It comes with a silicone back, so it creates this type of a friction. Now, this one can be used for tablets as well and for laptops as well, just, to stop them kinda from moving backwards. As a result, this chair is creating this comfortable, working, inspiring type of an environment to work with and to go with. And there is definitely no limit to your imagination. You can use this chair by any possible way that you can even think about. This chair is launched at the Kickstarter, so guys, be so very sure to go check it out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box of this video of mine to the Kickstarter product of this Newtral Freedom X chair. It comes in 2 vibrant colors. I've got mine in orange. So guys, you all know that I am working from home. I am staying at home, working from home, mom and wife. And so a healthy and inspiring and creative environment, it's the most important for me, because what do? I am creating content. I'm a content creator, blogger, vlogger, influencer, whatever you call it. That's what I do all day, literally. I'm filming video, editing them, sitting in my computer, sorting, editing my videos. And this is why that type of a chair is definitely a must for me. It has endless of possibilities. It's extra flexible, and I absolutely love this chair. So guys, let's get started with a full review of this chair, and I cannot wait to tell you all about all the features that it has and what it's capable of and how you can use it, especially it's a pet-friendly type of a chair. Well, let's get started. So guys, this is the Newtral Freedom X multi-position chair. This is a one chair, limitless possibilities. So this chair is all about flexibility, and well, the Freedom X was designed to address all the needs of our modern life. So we're all stuck to our devices like our phones or laptops 24/7. Believe me, I know what I'm talking about. My husband hates me already for that. He's literally about to kick me out of our house. Kidding, of course. But the modern life goes crazy. We're all really attached to our gadgets, to our devices, and as well as we do need to rest at the same time. And it will be really better if we could rest while we are working. And this is how the Freedom X was designed. It's not just about sitting comfortably and working, doing your job. The Freedom X, it's about the freedom of sitting. It's about the versatility and about the lasting comfort. You have endless possibilities with this chair. You can lift the handles down. You have a few positions with the handles. You can lift the back up, down. You can move the seat itself, as well as at the very much back of the seat, you have an opened up, like a hidden type of a table, a small little desk that you can put your laptop on and work sitting on the chair at the opposite position. As well as you're having 2 holds for your mugs with your drinks, with your coffee, with your wine, whatever you'd like to drink while you are working or while you're just sitting and watching movies. So this chair, it's all about creating a comfortable working environment of freedom, so you can feel free to literally just move yourself the way you want at this chair. So as I said, it has a built-in laptop tray, which can be used as well for your phones or for any other type of gadgets like tablets, iPads, and so very on. It has an adjustable backrest, which is truly cool. You can lift it up or down. Also, the material this chair made of, oh my god, it looks so luxurious and so stylish. So first of all, it comes in 2 different colors, in like bright beige type of a color, as well as in vibrant orange color, which is so very pretty. I received mine in orange color. And now the material it's made of is a stretch resistant fabric and a premium vegan leather. These are mixed together, and this is what the chair made of. Extra cool type of material, feels great on the body, feels cool to the touch. Also, the cushions are breathable. Also, the entire design of this chair, it's a pet friendly type of a design. So if you are having any type of pets, they can definitely sit on one of the flexible armrests and just chill out with you while you're working or watching a movie sitting at this chair. It also has a customizable seat depth, so you can take it a little bit out or bring it back, whatever works for you. So it's gonna work for any type, any size of a human being. It also works with a silent caster, so once you are moving this one around your room, around your office, it is silent, it's quiet, as well as it moves really smooth. In general, this chair is support up to 150 kilograms of products, of people sitting on it, and it comes with a durable construction. It's also great for your posture, so you can work, relax, or even lounge. So the Freedom X gives an endless sitting positions to explore, and there is no limit to the imagination. Basically, whatever type of a position you can think of, you can make it on this chair. So it really helps me to stay focused on my job, as well as I love the upright posture to a laid back recline. So it truly helps my back pain, and this chair feels extra comfortable. You can do non-stop activities with this chair, relax, work, pet your beloved, for your friends. You can meditate while sitting at this chair. You can, I don't know, create stuff like doing music, play guitar as you are sitting at this chair, and that's extra cool. So guys, in conclusion, while the traditional chairs are forcing you into one single static sitting position, the Freedom X is here to give you the full flexibility and full creativity of the way you are sitting. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please be sure to support Newtral Freedom X chair at the Kickstarter. I will leave you all of the links down below to their Kickstarter. They've already got so many backups, like thousands of dollars. I'm talking like 6 figures number that they were able to collect from the Kickstarter. Their project, it's not the first project on Kickstarter that they're launching, so you can definitely trust them. So guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Please let me know what do you think, and anything else, like your thoughts, you know, what's your opinion about this chair? I'm really curious to know. And that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.